WhatDROID review. Hey guys, this is Shayan from IndiaAcademy.com and you are watching my WhatDROID review. So in this WhatDROID review, we'll actually review what this software actually does. We'll take a deep look at what the sales page has to say about it, what claims the sales page are making. Is that apt or is that exaggerated, right? We'll look into all the aspects of that. And then we do have access to this WhatDROID software as well, which would allow me to provide a full-blown demo and check whether whatever claims they make on the sales page are correct or not. And at the end of it, I'll also discuss all my bonuses. If you do pick up WhatDROID using my link, then you are going to get all of my bonuses, which are worth $4,397 absolutely for free. So with that being said, let's quickly take a look at what WhatDROID is. In a nutshell, it's a Windows-based desktop application that helps you to send bulk WhatsApp message and implement WhatsApp automation for your business. It aims at 100% deliverability and 98% open rate, and it allows you to validate your contacts, schedule messages, track your sends, send videos, images, PDFs, product catalog, and other attachment as well with your message. And it has a built-in feature for securing your WhatsApp account by enabling multiple sender account message throttling, and it also adds delay to emulate human-like behavior, which is very, very important. Otherwise, your account might get blocked. Now, you'll see on the demo, I have used my account with it because I'm absolutely certain of the way in which it promotes. It would never get blocked, right? So that's a good thing to have. And it does not require you to use any proxy or any IP for enabling your account. All that you need is a simple WhatsApp account. That's it, right? So with that being said, let's quickly take a look at what the sales page says, and then we'll come to the software itself and check out whether the software lives up to the expectation and the claims that it makes right here, that is on the sales page, right? So right now we are on the sales page. So as you can see, WhatDROID has been created by Technic Force. The man behind it is Siddhaljit Gupta. You must have known him. He has produced some good softwares in past, right? And this is the ultimate automation app for one-to-one messenger marketing. In terms of messenger, it will use WhatsApp, right? So reach prospective client with 98% open, which is far, far, far more than what you can achieve in email, right? If you do email marketing, no matter which autoresponder you use, how much qualified your leads are, you are never ever going to get this much open rate. So that's quite a good thing to have. Then you can rate and promote any product or services locally or globally with never seen before success. Now, one thing I want to add here, as I've tested this software out, I've seen that it actually allows you to send message before adding anybody to your contact list, which is good because in case of bulk send, you are not sure whom you should add or whom you should not. You should have minimum interaction with people before actually adding them to your contact list. Otherwise, your contact list just grows like that, right? So that's a good thing to have. So next thing is that you can schedule your messages, automate your marketing on WhatsApp to save time and get better results every day. Desktop-based automation protects your account. That's right. That's why I love this vendor, because it clearly says it's a Windows-based application, desktop-based, so it's not cloud-based. First of all, it's not ideal for Mac users as well, although you can emulate the same thing on Mac, but it's generally based on Windows, right? Now, must for all small businesses, and this comes at a one-time price. Now, all its competitors are having a recurring fee. I will come to that, but currently it is on a one-time pricing, which is very good to have. Plus, you are going to have agency and commercial license right up on the front end, which is another good thing to have, right? Then there is a call to action button. Then you can see these are the features that you can get. Schedule your marketing messages, message without adding to contacts. That's exactly what I was telling. Filter and identify valid WhatsApp number. Yeah, that's correct. You can do that as well. You can actually check whether a number is on WhatsApp or not, right? So you can easily target customer. You can have this, all these features are over here. So you can just go through them, right? So let me go through. Okay. So 1, 2, 3 steps. That is very much okay. So these are the kind of files that you can use as your attachment. It can be images, videos, audios, PDFs, GIFs, long format message, anything that you require for your marketing, right? And it can be useful for both agencies, real estate designers. I think any small business or a solopreneur needs this, right? Because this SEO providers, product marketers, financial and insurance marketers, look, anybody who is in the marketing requires this, right? So let's not go further into that. So it's an automation for WhatsApp Messenger, and it's 100% legitimate system. That's quite a great thing to have, right? So now you can get 98% open rates. You can send any type of media. You can send your coupons to increase your sales, right? You can send payment links and ask for payments. You can drive traffic to any website you want. You can have one-to-one question answer session, anything. The opportunities are really endless, right? Then you can see the demo over here. This is done by Cyril himself. So you can just go through that demo if you want, but I don't think you need that after watching my demo, right? So here are some testimonials. If you want, you can check them as well, right? So I think we have more or less covered everything now. Just some stats for you. 98% open rate, as I have mentioned multiple times. This is a very, very vital factor in choosing the right platform for marketing, right? There's no use of sending out things until people sees it, right? So that's quite important. Then it has 2 billion WhatsApp users all over the world today. 65 billion messages are sent through WhatsApp every day. 53% of all WhatsApp users at least use it once a day, right? So that's amazing. Then 18 to 49 years, that's where 80% of WhatsApp users are. And this is the age of the decision makers, right? So you are targeting the right people in terms of age. 5 million businesses are there on WhatsApp. So you can imagine what power you are going to have for, right? So now you can go through all this at your own time. I'm just scrolling it to find this one. The pricing comparison, if you see other tools that does the same work, they makes you pay around $70 per month. Then there is one $79 per month, $150 per month, and this is a one-time one, but this costs you $547. So that's a hefty charge to pay for, right? So with that being said, I think I have covered enough of the sales page. It's pretty lengthy one, so you can just go through all of that at your own time. Now I really want to dive inside the WhatDROID system and see whether it does what it claims on the sales page. So let's join on the WhatDROID dashboard. Hey guys, welcome to the WhatDROID dashboard, and as you can see, I've got access to it. Now you can add your accounts. As you can see, my account has been added, right? And I have tested it out multiple times before actually putting this review, because I wanted to be absolutely sure that it works in the way it promises, plus it's a legitimate one. That is very, very important again, right? So you can see I've added my own account. Now if you want to add an account, you can just click over here. There is an add an account option over here, so you can just add an account so that you have multiple sender. Now you can see what it does on the background. This is very important. You can see web.whatsapp.com. That is something that you can even type on your browser and you'll get the same thing over here. You can just scan this QR code and log in into any WhatsApp account you want, right? So for now, I'm not going to add any more account right here because I have already added mine account, right? So now let me take you through all of these right here. So first option is broadcast now. Now this is something that you can use for broadcasting your messages, right? So you can write anything like hi, you can personalize it as well, right? And then you can just go ahead and add files, right? So you can just add your photos or whatever you want, right? So it can be like this. You can add your images and then you can click on next. Now this might be guarded by my camera, but there is a button called next right behind my camera, right? So that's quite cool. Now once you have done that, you just need to select the account. Now remember, you can add multiple accounts. That actually is suggested if you are going to send out messages pretty often. Then I do suggest that you add at least 2-3 accounts and keep rotating them, right? So while selecting, you can just select this is Shine Roy, you can go for Inca Academy and all those, right? So you can just select and click on next. Then you have an option. You can directly add numbers in here. But remember, while adding the numbers, please add the country code to it. For example, for India, I need to add this, right? So wherever you are texting, make sure that you add the country code to that number, right? So once done, you can just type in any number you want, right? And it will actually broadcast it to those numbers. You can have multiple numbers as well. You can have name, description, number in this format, which you can see right in here, right? Also, you can go ahead and broadcast the message to groups, right? Or you can actually broadcast message to collection. Now, group is something that is there in WhatsApp also. Collection is a special group that you can create via this WhatDROID software. What is the difference? I'll just come to it a little later, but for now, just click on submit and it has just started the broadcast. Now you can see in the background, this is what starts happening. Since you have connected your account already, which I have connected my one too, right? Now it's verifying whether this number is WhatsApp installed or not. First step is done, right? It has verified that there is this number. Now what it is trying to send it out message. Now see, I have tested it out. Now this is all happening automatically, right? You can see I'm in hands-free mode, right? So hi full name, that was the message that I had sent. So here you go, hi Deep. So that's the first name of the attender. Then there is the hot deals. That is the picture that I sent. Now it is being sent right over here. So that's how easy it is. And that's how human-like things you see to WhatsApp, it will appear like somebody has opened the web version of WhatsApp and is just doing things manually, right? So that's pretty cool, and that's why it's 100% legit, and you will be able to use it for years to come. So that's quite cool. Then you can see that for the next one on the group, it's doing the same thing. Hi, full name. Then it will again post that picture out there, and it's taking a bit of time. It's not doing it simultaneously, so there is no way for WhatsApp to detect that all of these things are done in an automated way, whereas you can take the full advantage of this WhatsApp automation. So that's the coolest part of this software, right? So you can see once done, you have getting this status completed. You can also go to reports, and from here you can see that your you have seen here I have made multiple broadcasts, 6 to be exact, and all of them have been delivered. So that's how cool the software is, and it has a good repeatability as well. Now coming to the next thing that you can do is that you can schedule a broadcast in the same way you can compose a message. You can select a date, you can select a time, you can select a time zone, and then you can schedule it for some upcoming time or some upcoming dates, right? So that's a cool thing to have. Then comes sequences. Sequences is something, it's similar like autoresponders, right? You can create automated mailing sequence when you are doing email marketing. In similar way, you can have automated messenger sequence while WhatsApp marketing, and that's exactly what you can do via this sequence, right? So I have created a collection, as you can see over here. So if there is a sequence called welcome that I have created, so if I double click on it, you can see on day 0 at 12 a.m. there would be a message from me. So that is the sequence. You can keep adding on day 1, on day 2, on day 3, and so on. That would be automated, right? The next one is the number verifier. Herein you can just submit the number. You can see I have verified this to number, and if you want to verify more numbers, you can do that as well via this one, right? The next one is group. Now this, remember, you can't add any group from here. This is all the groups that your account on WhatsApp has. So my account has this only one group that I have created specifically for this test, and this is called the test group, as you can see over here. But the problem regarding group is that suppose I have added 10 people to a WhatsApp group and I'm sending some message to the group. So each of the 10 people are seeing that message. That's very true. But the problem here is that if somebody replies to that message, then all the other people in the group are going to see that message. Now that can be good, that can be bad, that can be used as a pro, that can be used as a con as well. So if somebody deliberately harms your reputation, then that can really take a toll on your business, right? So that's where collections comes into play. You can create collection via this software. Say for example XYZ be the collection name, and if you click on add, then you can see XYZ has been added. Now if you can double click it, you can just enter your name and number pair separated by comma, as you can see over here. So name, description, number. Description is optional, name is also optional. If you want, you can add, right? So that your messages are personalized. Then once you have added, you can just click on submit and your collection will be created, right? So for example, I have added this collection, and if I can show you, it contains 2 members right in here. So I have not added in description, but that's why when I message this collection, they will get the message from me, but when they would reply, it would come to me only. The other people in the collection won't be able to see that message. So that's a cool thing that this collection does, right? The next one is reports. From here, you can check the reports of all the tasks that you have performed or the scheduled task as well. Then you can go over to settings, and from here you can select the WhatsApp default account. In my case, there is only one account, so that's it. Then you can select a start time and the end time, that is the broadcast setting, so that there is a definite delay between one message and the other, right? And then you can also select the broadcast time zone, so that wherever from you are operating, say for example mine is Kolkata, so I can just set out it here on Kolkata, and that's it, right? So you can get the task notification as well, just as you saw once the task was over, right? So that was it regarding this WhatDROID demo, and I really hope that you have enjoyed this. So if this WhatDROID functionality seems good to you, and if you really want to pick this up, then why not via me? Because I have an insane bonus package just for you in case that you decide to pick up WhatDROID from me. All you need to do is go down on the description of this video that you are watching right now and click the link to my bonus page, which should take you right here. That is on my bonus page, and herein you can go through all of these right here, all the features, all the pros and cons, all the ways that you can make money. For example, you can run messenger campaigns for your local marketer. You can enter into a monthly mode as well with them, and you can charge them monthly as well. So there is actually innumerable ways in which you can monetize this platform. It's up to you in which you want. Now you can also do affiliate marketing, right? So that's amazing. Now coming to my bonus package, it's an insane package of $4,397, which includes a cloud-based software with training that can help you to create 3D character animation videos, explainer videos, even story blog videos just from a script. You just need to fit a script and it will create all the videos for you, everything done for you. It's a very, very premium tool that I'll give you access to, right? Now, the next bonus that I have is a premium over-the-shoulder case study regarding how you can make money from Fiverr. Now, remember, you can set up a bulk messaging gig with this software on Fiverr, and you can rank those gigs and get money from by using this bonus. So that's amazing. Then there are many traffic software. You can just go through them. There are 25 softwares to be accurate. So there are a lot of softwares which contains VidRank Neos that ranks your videos on top of YouTube. Then there's Take It, One Page Profits, Eugen Bots, Beast Funnels. There are so many software. I'm just going through it. You can just go through my software list, and it contains YT Supremacy as well that helps you to build an authority YouTube channel that helps you rank again and again on YouTube. You must have seen my videos rank on top of YouTube. So that's some of the tips are there as well. Then there is Equinox. Then there is done for you websites. Then there is WP Reactions, WP Viral Quiz. Then there is WP Social Line. Then there's FB Leads Discovery, WP's SEO link, everything is there. So there are more than 23, as you can see, and all of them are software. So that's an insane bonus package to have. It covers you in all aspects. It has funnel builder, it has traffic software, video marketing software, done for you, trainings, case studies, everything covered, right? And in case if you do make any upgrade, you are going to get 16 premium software on top of this, along with reseller rights for each of them. Now, I'm not going through that because this is only going to be available if you pick an upgrade. So I'll not go through this bonus. However, I just wanted to give you a heads up on this, right? So if WhatDROID along with my all bonuses seems irresistible to you, then please go down on the description link of this video and click the link to my bonus page. From there, you can scroll down to find any of these red buttons, clicking on which you'll go over to the sales page, which we had already gone a walkthrough of. Now you can again go through it, right? And once you like it, you can click on any of these buttons to get access to WhatDROID along with all my bonuses. Now remember, all your bonuses will be directly delivered to your JVZoo account. You just need to log into your JVZoo account, go over to your purchases, go over to WhatDROID, and from there you can click on access your bonuses to get hold of all my bonuses absolutely for free, right? The front end is going to be priced at, I think it should be priced around $31 for the early birds. If there is even more discount, you can check for it, but it is going to be priced at $37 because it is going to be on a time sale. So pick it up if you find it at any price lesser than $37, because that's the best pricing that this software can be in, right? The OTO 1 is the WhatDROID Pro version, and it actually unlocks the unlimited version of WhatDROID. Along with that, you are going to get unlimited messaging, groups, and other features as well. And this should be priced at $67, right? Now, the next one is the agency version, and it's going to be priced at $97. You can sell unlimited WhatDROID as your own, and you can keep the profits to yourself. So that's a good pickup at $97. The next one is Viral Reach Pro. Now this one uses Facebook marketing automation, and this is going to be priced at $47. Then there is the Stock Bean, which has the biggest collection of media assets for marketers, including images, audios, clip arts, GIFs, and videos, and this is going to be priced at $27. And the last upgrade is the Tweet Push Pro. This is an automation of the Twitter platform, and this should cost you around $47. So with that being said, the front end at $37 even is a great pick, because all the other platforms which does the similar things are all monthly charge, right? And even this is going into a monthly mode after the launch is over. So I would request you to grab it at this price. And I would recommend you to go for the Pro as well if you are using it on a large scale. If you are thinking that you will put the gigs on Fiverr, for that you are going to need this unlimited messaging power. And if you are looking to sell this off to your local marketers, like if you are a local marketer, if you have local businesses on your hands that you can approach and sell this software, then you can pick up the agency as well, because at $97, this is a good pick. You can sell each of them for at least $100. So even if you sell one of them, you are going to be in profit. So that's a good one to have again. So with that being said, all the OTOs are optional. You can even start off with the front end as well. But so with that being said, it brings me to an end of this WhatDROID review. And I really hope that you guys have loved this WhatDROID review. If you have, then please help me with a like and let me know on the comment section if you have any questions regarding anything on this WhatDROID review. So we'll meet again pretty soon somewhere over the internet. And if you are not subscribed to my channel as yet, then what are you waiting for? Please go ahead and subscribe to this channel and hit on the bell notification icon so that you never miss out on any upcoming videos that I have on product reviews or on trainings on making money online. So we'll meet again pretty soon. Until then, please take care of yourself and your families. Keep rocking, keep making money, keep taking action. Signing off, Shine from NK Academy. Bye bye.